In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page numbers in Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're finalizing a report or cleaning up a document, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, we need to access the header or footer area where your page numbers are located. As you can see in this example, the page number 1 is at the top right, in the header. To edit it, simply move your cursor into the top margin and double-click. This will activate the header editing mode indicated by the header label and a line separating it from the main document body. Now that you are in header editing mode, the page number behaves just like any other piece of text. You can click on it to place your cursor, or you can click and drag to highlight it. Once the number is selected, simply press the backspace key or the delete key on your keyboard. You will see the page number disappear immediately from the header on this page. The next step is to exit the header editing mode. You can do this by clicking anywhere in the main body of the document below the header line or by pressing the escape key. Once you do, you're back to normal editing. The key thing to understand is that Google Docs treats headers and footers as consistent elements across your document. By deleting the page number from one page, you have effectively removed it from all of them. Let's confirm this by scrolling down. As we move to the second page, you can see the header is now empty. The same applies to the third page and all subsequent pages in your file. It's a single action that cleans up the entire document. One important setting to be aware of is the Different First Page option. If you double-click back into your header, you'll see this checkbox. If it's enabled, your title page can have a different header from the rest of the document. If you find numbers only disappear from some pages, you would need to delete the number from the first page's header and from the second page's header to remove them all. And there you have it. You've successfully removed all page numbers from your Google Doc. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.